It is common sense to do your research on something before you go diving into that particular wheat field. So, before we get excited about the benefits of using pitched roof insulation in the loft, let us explain what a pitched roof is. This is a roof consisting of two angled pieces which meet in the middle, with a piece called a gable at either end. It is one of the most common types of roof around. The pitches on both sides of the room tend to be symmetrical, although this can differ due to aesthetic purposes. There is such a thing as a single pitch roof, in which the roof itself consists of one large flat piece installed and constructed at an angle. This practice of construction is possibly the most common, no matter where you are in the world. There can be a considerable difference in the pitch depending on the construction aspects of the building, such as size, height, width, you name it. In places such as United Kingdom, where they have turbulent winters, they build with a very deep pitch so that the roof doesn't accumulate snow. In other areas, such as the UK, typically houses could be built with a more shallow pitch, with just the right amount of angle to allow rainwater to drain away from the roof. As with most comparisons, there are debates for each side, and here is no different. Steep pitches can offer more space underneath the roof, especially in homes with lofts and attics, which limit the headroom available. On the other hand, shallow pitches can create unusable, useless space near the walls. That is, unless the walls are built high enough to give a decent enough gap between the roof and the floor. There are some regions around the world where you are restricted on the amount of levels you can have to a home, so pitched roofs can be a clever way of creating room inside the structure without breaking any legislation. There is no use to building something that looks amazing if there isn't adequate support surrounding the build, and a house is no different. There are several ways to support a pitched roof. You could go down the more traditional route with heavy beams, but these can look quite aesthetically ghastly, but it does allow for more open space underneath the roof. On the other hand, pitched roofs built to match a more modern house may be supported with the use of trusses, which are hidden behind the ceiling, creating a visage where you have a flat ceiling inside a house with a pitched roof. Trusses tend to be cheaper than heavy-duty beams and adds a certain level of security to the roof. There are a variety of materials capable of being used in the finished result of a pitched roof, such as wooden shakes, terracotta, slate tiles, and composition shingle. Now, the choice of material is mainly dependent on the way it makes the roof look, including the practicality behind it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.